The power box adopts an integrated design, integrating key components such as signal sockets, power sockets, test keys, ground connections, hub data boards and receiving cards into an efficient and compact detachable power box. Each component is carefully arranged to ensure compatibility and easy assembly and disassembly. The power and signal sockets are designed for simple and reliable connections, with dedicated ports for power and signal lines to ensure stable power and data transmission. The operating status of the test key makes it easier to monitor the device during installation. The ground connection ensures safety and prevents static electricity or electrical problems that may damage the device. The hub data board simplifies the processing and distribution of data streams, while the receiving card ensures stable and clear signal reception for optimal display performance. This design not only improves the overall efficiency of the LED screen system, but also simplifies the installation and wiring process. By integrating power cables, signal cables, and components into a unified system, it eliminates complex wiring problems and makes maintenance and replacement easier. This makes it particularly suitable for the rental market and temporary installations. With this integrated detachable power box, the LED display can operate reliably in various environments, providing stable power and signal support. The design of the LED module card slot provides quick and convenient installation and improves work efficiency. Through the LED modular magnetic design, users can easily install and remove the LED module. EA500H6 LED display is equipped with magnetic adsorption LED modules, which are fast and stable to install. Each module has a rotating handle to simplify the installation and removal process. It supports front and rear maintenance, which is convenient for maintenance personnel to operate and reduce downtime. It is very suitable for the rental market and large-scale events. Hub connection design, with a detachable power box, IP65 high waterproof performance, double sealing rubber ring, and quick installation buckle for easy assembly and removal of the back cover.